I'm going to show you clearly how to trade support and resistance the easiest way possible and which time frames I like to use. So for sniper entries, I like to use the 5 minute and the 15 minute. They're purely for entry trades. But for looking at the bigger picture and for trend and for support and resistance lines, I like to use the 1 hour, but higher time frame is king, remember that. The 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily is a very strong indicator of price change. I personally like to use the 1 hour. So support and resistance is just a case of looking to the left, looking to previous price data. So if I get a rectangle here, I can draw at the top here and see that price did not want to break this high no matter what. It tried it 1, 2, 3 times. On this third break, I took a sell trade. Now all this means is that there is a lot of selling momentum here. There is a lot of orders ready trying to sell. There's maybe market manipulation or a hedge fund and that does not want to move price higher than this level currently. Doesn't mean that it won't break in the future, but right now price does not want to break this high. If we get another rectangle here, we can draw and see these pins here, 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 through this and up to here is a good resistance level. You can also see that this is a level of interest with support and resistance. As price hit this and moved away from it, finally broke through, but you can see it is now in a channel between this high and this low. Super simple, I promise you. So you just want to go on a higher time frame, draw lines on key zones where price has strongly rejected off it. So you can see why I drew the line up here, because we've had 3 rejections off this level. Price does not want to go up here. Vice versa down here, where price is now bouncing off this because there is buyers. This is also the reason that my take profit is set at this level. You can see that I'm trading between this channel of the support and resistance because there is strong selling here and strong buying here. Best way that you can find these entries is, like I said, go on a higher time frame, find strong support and resistance zones, draw lines and wait for price to reject off them. It's the best possible way that you can make money with support and resistance, and it's super simple. No indicators needed. You can use some price action, that does help. So I did enter this trade 1 candle late than I prefer, because price has definitely started to move down here, and I got it in the end of this candle. My take profit is set just before the buying pressure here, and my stop loss is set inside the selling pressure. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I do daily content here, so I hope you do stick around. Thank you for watching.